The damage from flooding in a severe storm can happen fast, and it can leave you feeling helpless. As we all begin the cleanup process from this most recent severe weather event, please know that the Team Automotive Group is here to help you. From our own experiences in past severe weather events, we've put together a list of 4 simple steps to help you if your vehicle was flooded. First, do not start your vehicle. Attempting to start it will only cause further damage if the engine has been flooded. Open the vehicle doors, open the windows if possible, and let the vehicle dry out. Second, call your insurance agent or insurance company and start the claims process. You can expect to receive full NADA retail value for your vehicle plus compensation for tax, title, and license if it's deemed a total loss. Your adjuster will likely want to see the vehicle in the location it was flooded. Third, if your vehicle is declared a total loss and you have gap insurance, call the provider and start that claims process. They'll have a list of information they'll need to fulfill the claim. If you purchased a vehicle from Team and you're unsure if you have gap insurance or you need your documents, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help get you that information. And finally, you can head to any of our Team websites to start the process of replacing your vehicle. None of our new or used inventory was impacted by the storm. When you're ready to visit one of our dealerships, please be sure to bring all of your insurance information with you. Whether it's vehicle repair or vehicle replacement, we're ready to pay it forward and use our experience and knowledge from previous events to help you with your storm recovery. You can reach us at any of our Team Automotive Group locations. Team Honda in Baton Rouge on Siegen Lane, Team Mazda in Baton Rouge on Airline Highway, Team Toyota in Baton Rouge at I-12 in the O'Neill Lane exit, and Team Honda of Acadiana on I-49 just south of Opelousas. You can also access our online used car superstore at teamautoused.com. We want you to be safe during this cleanup process, so please let us know if we can be of any assistance. All of us at every location of the Team Automotive Group are ready to help you in any way we can. And together, we'll get you back on the road.